Hello, this is Mrave1 and Mr. Reptiles 96.
Hey guys, a lot of new updates going on my videos. I'm gonna make new videos, no more fingerboarding videos. I was just bored on that one, and yeah. But a lot more stuff on my reptiles. I got a new reptile. I'm not telling you guys what it is, and more skateboarding videos.
Like regular skateboarding,
yeah.
not like fingerboards.
Yeah, no more.
That was kind of retarded.
Yeah.
There's like how to do an ollie on a fingerboard.
Yeah, come on.
If you want to learn that stuff, like,
I mean,
you could look at his video. Okay, so on to making the video. We're gonna show you how to make goo. What you're gonna need is a container, some glue.
Use a liquid glue. If you do not have a liquid glue, like I said, any liquid glue is fine. Brands like Rosar, Elmer's, anything like that.
Yeah. And you're gonna need food coloring. This is just to color it. If you just want it white, then you don't need it. For this particular goo, we're gonna use green.
Like it's not.
Yeah, so a bit like snot. Here's some of the other ones.
We got some examples here. This one's really sticky. This one is like a just a regular. It's starting to dry out, so we need to get those things in containers.
Yeah, you might want to put them in containers because look at this. It's not even like a goo anymore. This one we just made like a couple minutes ago, so this one's still like goo. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, and the next ingredient that you need is
powdered sugar.
Yeah, pretty important. Okay, let's find my spoon. Yep, here it is. Okay, just take a couple spoons of powdered sugar.
So you should have a good amount of powdered sugar in there. Too less powdered sugar won't do you so good. It'll be a liquid. You want it to
you want a lot of powdered sugar.
Want it to become that.
Yeah, that's good. I just ran out of powdered sugar, so I guess that's gotta be good. Let's move that up.
About that tall.
Yeah.
Gotta fill up the bottom of the cup, and then after that, it's gotta fill it up on top a little bit.
The more powdered sugar there is, the more glue you're gonna make, and then the glue just kind of put about that much. And food coloring, if you want it like a light green, like a snot, I'd recommend putting like 1 drop in it, because if you put it too many drops, it turns out really dark.
Like this one.
So like 1 or 2 drops. I'm just doing 1 drop this time. And I forgot to mention this to get it. You're gonna need something to mix it with. I'm just using some toothpicks. Not really too important. So just
stir it.
Yeah, stir it. The food coloring is very like, it works good when trying to do this because it mixes really good, like really good.
Look at that! It's like a lime snot green.
I know. Look at that.
Really great.
Yeah.
You can already see like this. You can already see, you know, the goo. You know, you don't have to wait, you know, with like other steps. How, oh, you gotta put laundry detergent and all this stuff. No, you can get the goo right there. It takes less time.
It takes probably like 3 minutes just to make a little bit of goo like this. This is just a little bit. If you want a lot, you could probably use like a giant container and like a gallon of powdered sugar and a bunch of glue.
Good to throw at people.
Yeah, it's like if you want like revenge on somebody. I don't recommend this for like little kids, but if you want like to have like revenge on somebody, like throw it at them, like get it in their hair or something. Yeah, get in their hair or something. It'll take like hours for them to get it out. It works pretty awesome.
Yep.
Oh, I just broke mine. Okay. Yeah, you can break toothpicks if you use them. They break really easily. I'm just gonna get some more. And try to get all the powdered sugar mixed up. You don't want to waste powdered sugar. It's good, pretty good.
Yeah. So here you see it so far. It's doing actually really good. And you
Yeah,
can tell
this is probably the best one we have yet. Like, it's even better than that first one, the blue one over here.
Yeah,
Well, this one's starting to dry out. And
it's starting to become a juice. That's a bad thing.
yeah, it's like really juice. I don't know what that is.
Juicy.
There's also another way of making goo, but it's not really so fun. It's just glue and salt. If you just put that together, it makes something weird. It's like a hard glue or goo or something. I don't know what it is. And then you get some weird smelling liquids afterwards. Okay, this one is wow. Yeah, so that's
So
really.
you can tell that it's really good because you'll start to be all sticky and everything, and that's really what goo is. So.
Yep, look at that. In the last video we put it in my hand, and that was a big mistake I made. So now we're gonna put it in Mr. Reptile's hand.
All right.
So.
After you're done with it, go ahead and take it and put it in your hand. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
This stuff, like when we mean it's sticky. We're not kidding.
Yeah.
It's really
sticky. It takes a while to get it off your hand. Well, not too much. It just takes a bit.
Well, look at this.
I'll just put it back in the container. We're probably gonna put it on the paper. Put it like in a small container or something. Our red one's starting to turn into liquid too. Green one's starting to get hard.
Look at that. That looks like a frozen man just got stuck in some kind of.
It's like a snot, man.
Oh,
I didn't have like that much of a dramatic scene. Like it was really loud.
All right.
Yep.
Is that how you make it?
Yep. That's how you make it. If you get it off, just try to scrape it into the container. Go ahead and try to get it off. Just use a toothpick or whatever.
Yeah. I feel like I don't know.
Probably won't get.
I feel like my nails are getting painted.
Yeah.
Weird.
It's kind of hard to.
But this stuff is really hard to get off, guys. So we're just gonna warn you.
It's not too hard. It's like.
Hard though.
I mean, if you mix it probably right enough, it probably won't be as sticky. Like our first one, it wasn't really sticky at all. It took like a couple of seconds just to get it off.
Yep.
That's probably why it's all liquidy right now and like weird.
Easy to come off with water. So like we said, this is it, and this is how to make goo. Have fun.
I don't know if I mentioned this in the beginning of the video, but we'll be posting a link to Mr. Reptile's video, channel, and to watch all of his videos. He made some weird tech videos. Yeah, I think we did mention this at the beginning of the video, but he made some weird tech videos. You can check them out if you want, showing all his reptiles, and he will be updating it. So there's a lot more skateboarding videos and other cool stuff, like experiments. I don't know if follow up to him. It's his channel.
Alright, well, thanks for watching, Mr. Reptiles 96 and MRave1. Peace out!
Wow, peace out.